Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to copy your Trust Wallet BEP20 address. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Once inside, you'll want to find the Receive button, which is usually prominent on the main screen. Tapping this will take you to a list of cryptocurrencies. From there, we'll specifically look for the BNB Smart Chain, also known as BEP20, to ensure you get the correct address for your transactions. This initial step is crucial for a smooth process. After selecting Receive, you'll see a search bar or a list of assets. Type BNB Smart Chain or BEP20 to quickly locate it. Once found, tap on it to proceed. This action will reveal your unique BEP20 receiving address, along with a QR code for easy scanning. It's vital to confirm you've chosen the BNB Smart Chain network, as sending tokens to the wrong network could result in loss. Double-checking this step saves a lot of potential trouble. With your BEP20 address now visible, look for the Copy button, typically located right next to the address itself. A single tap on this button will instantly copy the entire alphanumeric string to your device's clipboard. You'll often see a small confirmation message, like "Address copied," appear briefly. This means your address is ready to be pasted wherever you need it, whether it's on an exchange, another wallet, or a decentralized application. It's a quick and efficient way to share your receiving details. Before finalizing any transaction, it's a best practice to always verify the copied address. Take a moment to compare the first 4 and last 4 characters of the address you pasted with the original one in your Trust Wallet. This simple check helps prevent errors. Once confirmed, paste the address into the designated recipient field on the platform you're using to send funds. Always ensure the sending platform also specifies the BEP20 network to guarantee your assets arrive safely. This final verification step is incredibly important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.